Today I'm going to show you how to modify Dropbox assignments with differentiated release conditions. First, go to Assessment in the nav bar, select the drop-down, and select Dropbox. Now you're going to select the assignment you'd like to modify. In this case, I'm going to select Week 2 assignment, and I'm going to select the drop-down and select Edit Folder. To the right, you're going to see some customization options. We are going to select the drop-down next to Availability, Dates, and Conditions. Here you can see I can give my assignment a start date and an end date. In this case, I'm going to select just a random date. As you can see here, there are some more options for release conditions. So if you were interested in adding release conditions, you could select a specific condition type. You may not want them to submit this assignment until they've visited some content. And there are some other options here as well that you could play around with. In this case, I'm just going to go ahead and select cancel. Now, let's say you have a student who needs more time on an assignment because they have a documented disability. Here, you can select Manage Special Access, and we can allow certain users with special access to this assignment only. So we're going to go ahead and add users to special access. We're going to keep the start date the same. So in this case, our start date was April 10th. Now, the due date was originally the 17th. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and give them a whole extra week to complete it. And then I'm going to make sure that my end date has the same date as well. So now you can see that I've updated the dates to give them extra time. And then I'm going to go ahead and scroll down, select the student I would like to have special access, and then select Save. Now you can see that my student has special access to this assignment. I can select Save and Close. And at this point, when I hit Save and Close here, I can see that my Week 2 assignment has been updated. And that's how you modify Dropbox assignments in D2L Brightspace.